How to use multiple Roblox accounts on the one computer at the same time. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your Roblox, and here you have to log in your account. Once you log in your account, you have to open up the new tab, and then you have to go on the multiple Roblox file. Here you have to download this. Once you download it, you have to just need to open it. Here you have to open it on the back. After you open it, you just go to your browser and open your Roblox. Now if you add the another account, you have to like this one. It will just pop up and the second account note has been opened. You have to just go on the manager and check it out, but before check it out you have to log out from your previous account, and after that you have to make sure to add the new one, and in the background you have to open up that file, and in the last you are able to add your multiple accounts on the one computer. So yeah, this is how you can use multiple Roblox account on the one computer at the same time.